Hello, first LEGO League challengers. We are about to get started with the installation guide for the software required to program your EV3 robots.
The first thing you want to do is go to education.lego.com. Then you want to scroll down and go under the Resources tab.
Once you are here, you will want to click Download under the software download sections, and then select Mindstorm's EV3.
After this, just scroll down to download your Mindstorm software. You will have to select the computer operating system that you are using from the drop-down. In this case, I am using Windows, so I will select that and download it.
After you have finished downloading the file, just double-click on it to start installing it. You will be prompted to accept some terms and conditions, so quickly skim through these and hit yes.
After you have done this, you are good to go. You can then look up EV3 in your search bar and run the program.
And that wraps up our process of installing the EV3 software. Be sure to watch our next video on how to use the software.